Hey everyone, I'm Kaya G, wig wearer, wig expert, and I'm also a wig stylist. And one of the biggest complaints that my customers have is how can they keep their wigs on their heads secure, comfortable, without pulling out their hair and compromising their own hair in other ways. So today, I have a wig grip that I'm going to be testing out and discussing with you whether I think it's a hit or a miss. Let's call this series Get a Grip, where I'll be testing out different types of wig grips and giving you my honest opinion on how I feel they function and perform under wigs. This is not a paid promotion. I am purchasing these grips on my own and bringing you the review so that you don't have to do it. I'm here to help. Leave a comment below and let me know which other products would you like to see me test out. The wig grip I'm going to show you today is a velvet material that actually has silicone imprinted on top of the actual velvet material, which would make me believe that it is going to be an additional grip for the wig to keep it secure and in place. So let's try it out. But first, a little YouTube magic. I keep my hair covered underneath for religious reasons, so I'm going to be removing my wig and putting on a wig cap so I can keep my hair covered while demonstrating this wig grip. This wig cap I'm using, I actually linked in the description below, and some people love it because, especially if they have a lot of hair that they need to get under their wig, it really keeps everything nice and in place, so that way putting on the wig you don't have strands of pieces of hair falling out throughout. First thing that I love about this is the fact that it's adjustable. It has Velcro, so it can really fit to all sizes of heads, and you can close it according to your liking if you want it tighter, if you want it a little bit looser, and this is definitely a plus in my opinion. The next thing that I like about this wig grip is that it comes with a transparent piece of lace in the middle here. A lot of people are wearing wigs now with a transparent lace material on the top. So to have this in that area, because it's see-through, you won't see any of the actual velvet material in between. So I'm going to slip this one on and close it towards the bottom. Now you don't want to wear it too far down by your hairline. You want to wear it a bit further back. And now we're going to slip the wig on. So I always put my wig on from the front. And I pull it over the back. And just position it in place. Now I happen to be pretty sensory, so just the feeling of the headband snug, you have to have it a certain amount of tightness so that it will stay on the head, but I don't love the feeling of having something closing in on my skull at the first second. I think after I'm wearing it for a few minutes, I'll probably get used to it, but that's what I feel now. I feel a velvet material plus my wig on top, and it's just a lot. Something I do like about the wig grip is that it does have a certain breathability to it because it's that velvet material. So through the summer, through the winter, you will be able to have your head breathe as opposed to a more plasticky type of material. Another thing is that this one I have is in black, but they do have different colors like brown, they sell them in beige. So a lot of people like to match it up either to their skin tone or to their wig color, even though it goes underneath and you're not supposed to see it, but sometimes it makes people feel more comfortable. So now for the real test, does it work? So when I'm gonna pull my wig from side to side, it definitely does feel securely in place. But now the true test, where most people feel like they're losing their wig throughout the day, is that it slides back. When I'm pulling my wig back, even gently, you'll see it's kind of just gliding right over the band, and the band is not doing anything to hold on to it. To me, this is a fail. I thought to myself, maybe I put it on wrong. Maybe the silicone is supposed to be on my head. Let's try it. Now let's test it out. So again, side to side, feels okay, but a little even less secure than before. And now when I'm pulling gently back, again, I'm losing my wig, people. Just to wrap it up, how would I rate this product? Adjustability, I give it 4 hearts. I love the fact that it's adjustable and can accommodate so many different head sizes. In terms of the material used, the velvet, 4 hearts. I like the fact that it's breathable. It's also soft and comfortable on the head. But the silicone, no hearts. I didn't find that the silicone added any benefit. In fact, the slippery aspects of the silicone made it harder to keep the wig gripped onto the head. And the overall use of the product, 0 hearts. I don't find that this product is doing what it is intended to do, of helping a wig fit securely. What do you use that you love to keep your wig secure on your head? If you liked what you saw here and you're ready to see more videos, go ahead, click that subscribe button, and don't be afraid to hit that little thumbs up button. It's gonna tell YouTube that this is valuable, so help me out. Thank you so much for joining me, and watch out for my next videos on Get a Grip so that you could find the best wig grip for your purposes and your needs so that you can wear your wig like a boss with Haya G.